Hey guys, this is Cameron here, and in this video I'll be going over my exhaust and I'll be doing a driving video so that way you all can see what my exhaust sounds like. But anyways, let's go ahead and get right into this video. Starting out back, we have the blue burnt exhaust tips from U-Power, single wall. Then right here, short body muffler, and up front we have the Cherry Bomb glass pack. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little first gear pull right now. That was first to second, then I shifted to third after the underpass.